Hello dear students, all of you welcome to Vidyan classes. Today we will discuss some IIT questions on function. First question, if fx is equal to sin inverse log s square by 2 with base 2, then domain of the function is dash. Fx is equal to sin inverse log s square by 2. Sin inverse represent an angle. Every inverse trigonometric function represent an angle. Let sin inverse log s square by 2 with base 2 is equal to theta, which implies sin theta is equal to log s square by 2 base 2. For all theta belongs to set of real numbers, sin theta less than equal to 1 greater than equal to minus 1. Here sin theta is given by log s square by 2 with base 2 greater than equal to minus 1 less than equal to plus 1. Sin theta is equal to this value. Which implies log s square by 2 with base 2 less than equal to 1. This part, log s square by 2 with base 2 greater than equal to minus 1 less than equal to plus 1, which implies s square by 2 less than equal to 2 to the 1 equal to 2. Since log x base a is equal to y, that implies and implies by x is equal to a to the power y, which implies s square less than equal to 4, which implies s square less than equal to 4. What are the values of x? What are the values of x? X greater than equal to minus 2 less than equal to 2. It is the first condition. From this part, we get x greater than equal to minus 2 less than equal to 2. Again log s square by 2 with base 2 greater than equal to minus 1. Log s square by 2 with base 2 greater than equal to minus 1, which implies s square by 2 greater than equal s square by 2 greater than equal to 2 to the power minus 1. S square greater than equal to 2 into half, that is equal to 1. Clear? S square is greater than equal to 1. What are the values of x? S square greater than equal to 1. What are the values of x? Implies x less than equal to minus 1 or x greater than equal to plus 1. If s square greater than equal to 1, then x less than equal to minus 1 or x greater than equal to 1. Clear? It is case 2. Case 2. This part gives this and this part gives this. We have to find out the domain of the function fx is equal to sin inverse log s square by 2 with base 2. The common region of this set and this set represent the domain of the inverse trigonometric function, that is sin inverse log s square by 2 with base 2. It is origin x is equal to this line is x equal to 2. This line is x is equal to minus 2. This interval is x greater than equal to minus 2 less than equal to 2. X greater than equal to minus 2 and less than equal to plus 2. Again we have x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1. This line is x equal to minus 1. X less than equal to minus 1. It represents x less than equal to minus 1. X greater than equal to 2. This point is minus 2, 0. This point is 2, 0. This interval is x greater than equal to minus 2 less than equal to minus 1. It is the common region. It is the common region of this interval and this interval. Again, x is greater than equal to 1. It is x is equal to 1. This point is minus 1, 1, 0. This point is minus 1, 0. X less than equal to 2 and x is greater than equal to 2. It is x greater than equal to 1. It is the common region. It is the common region, that is x greater than equal to 1 less than equal to 2. This and this represent this. X greater than equal to 1, x greater than equal to minus 2 less than equal to 2. This set and this set have the common region this. This set and this set have the common region this. The common region represent the domain of the function fx. Therefore, domain of f is close bracket minus 2 and minus 1 union this region and union close bracket 1 and 2. The common region represents the domain of the composite function this, that is sin inverse log s square by 2 with base 2. So the correct option is 2. The correct option is A. That means close bracket minus 2 minus 1 union close bracket 1 2. Clear? Are you clear? Okay. Note down. Note down. Next question. Question number 2. The domain of the function fx is dash. Here logarithm with base 2, logarithm with base 3, logarithm function with base 4. Each logarithm function has the base greater than 1. each logarithm function has the base greater than 1. What is the graph of the function when base greater than 1? What is the graph of the logarithm function when base greater than 1? Y is equal to log x with the base a. Here a greater than 1 and x greater than 0. The logarithm function meet x-axis at 1, 0. It is the graph of the logarithm function when a greater than 1, x greater than 0. The logarithm function is defined when x greater than 0. Value of the logarithm function is positive when x greater than 1. From this conclusion, we can solve the problem fx is defined if first log of x with base 4 greater than 0. The logarithm function is defined when x is greater than 0. Here x is log of x with 4, with base 4. Second condition, log x with base 4 with base 3 greater than 0. It is greater than 0. This part is also greater than 0. Part 1 implies log x with base 4 greater than 0. That implies x is equal to x greater than 4 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Implies x greater than 1. It is the first condition. X must be greater than 1. Second bit, log x with base 4 with base 3 greater than 0, which implies log x with base 4 is equal to y implied by x is equal to a to the power y. Log x with base a greater than 0 is equal to y implied by x equal to a to the y. So, log of x with base 4 greater than 3 to the power 0, which is equal to 1. Log of x with base 4 greater than 1, which implies x greater than 4 to the power 1, which implies x greater than 4. It is the second condition. From equation 1 and 2 we get, from equation 1 and 2 we get x greater than 1 and x greater than 4. X greater than 1 and x greater than 4. In general we can say x greater than 4. The common region represents the domain of the function, composite function. X greater than 4, x greater than 1. X it is x is equal to 1, it is x is equal to 4. X greater than 4 means this region, and x greater than 1 means this region. It is the common region. X greater than 1 is the larger set, and x greater than 4 is the smaller set. The common region represents the domain of the function. X greater than 1, x greater than 4 in general, that means common for both sets is x greater than 4. So the correct option is B. So the domain of the function is x greater than 4. Clear? Clear? Okay, note down. Note down. Next question. Question number 3. Mod of x divided by x plus 1 less than 10 to the power minus 4 wholes if which interval is true? Given mod of x divided by x plus 1 less than 10 to the power minus 4, which implies x divided by x plus 1 greater than minus 10 to the power minus 4 less than 10 to the power minus 4. Since x mod less than a implies x greater than minus a less than plus a. Clear? X mod less than a implies x greater than minus a less than a. So x divided by x plus 1 greater than minus 10 to the power minus 4 less than 10 to the power minus 4, which implies minus 10 to the power minus 4 less than x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 less than 10 to the power minus 4. Clear? Okay. Which implies minus 10 to the power minus 4 less than 1 minus 1 divided by x plus 1 less than 10 to the power minus 4. Adding minus 1 everywhere, it gives minus 1 minus 10 to the power minus 4 less than minus 1 divided by x plus 1 less than minus 1 plus 10 to the power minus 4. Multiplying minus 1 everywhere, it gives 1 plus 10 to the power minus 4 greater than 1 divided by x plus 1 greater than 1 minus 10 to the power minus 4. Since 3 greater than 2 minus 3 less than minus 2. 3 greater than 2 minus 3 less than minus 2, which implies 1 plus 1 by 10,000 greater than 1 divided by x plus 1 greater than 1 minus 1 divided by 10,000. Which gives 10,001 divided by 10,000 greater than 1 divided by x plus 1 greater than 9,999 divided by 10,000. Clear? Which implies as 10,000 divided by 10,001 less than x plus 1 less than 10,000 divided by 9999. Since x greater than y, 1 by x less than 1 by y. X greater than y implies as 1 by x less than 1 by y. 3 greater than 2, 1 by 3 less than 1 by 2. Clear? Which implies as 10,000 divided by 10,001 minus 1 less than x less than 10,000 divided by 999 minus 1. Adding minus 1 everywhere, which gives 1 divided by minus 1 divided by 10,001. 10,000 minus 10,001 less than x less than 1 divided by 9,999, which is same as minus 10,001 to the power minus 1 less than x less than 9,999 whole to the power minus 1. Clear? Only one concept. Next is the general solution. So the correct option is B. X greater than minus 10,001 to the power minus 1 less than 9,999 to the power minus 1 is the correct option. Clear? X mod less than A implies x greater than A less than A. X greater than minus A less than A. Only one concept in this problem. Are you clear? Okay, note down. Next question, question number 4. If fx is an odd periodic function with period 2, then f4 equals to dash 0, 3, 4 and minus 2. Solution: given fx is an odd function. Given fx is an odd function. What is the definition of odd function? If f minus x is equal to minus fx, then fx is said to be an odd function. Fx is an odd function, that implies f minus x is equal to minus fx. It is equation 1. For x is equal to 2, equation 1 implies f minus 2 x equal to 2, which is equal to minus f2. F minus 2 is equal to minus f2. Clear? Fx is an odd function. F minus x is equal to minus fx. For x equal to 2, equation 1 implies f minus 2 is equal to minus f2. Again we have fx is a periodic function of period 2. Fx is a periodic function with period 2. Implies f2 plus x is equal to fx. Since if fk plus x is equal to fx, then k is equal to period of fx. If fk plus x is equal to fx, then k is equal to period of fx. Here 2 is the period of fx is a periodic function of a period 2. Implies f2 plus x is equal to fx. It is equation 2. Clear? Since fx is a periodic function of a period 2, f2 plus x is equal to fx. For x is equal to 0, equation 2 implies f2 plus 0, that is f2 is equal to f0. Clear? For x equal to 0, f2 is equal to f0. For x is equal to minus 2, equation 2 implies x is equal to minus 2, f2 minus 2, that is equal to f0, which is equal to x equal to minus f minus 2. F minus 2 is equal to minus f2. Minus f2. And f2 is equal to f0. Here, for x equal to minus 2, equation 2 implies f0 is equal to f minus 2. F minus 2 is equal to minus f2. Again we have f2 is equal to f0. So it is a minus f0. Implies f0 is equal to minus f0. 2 times of f0 is equal to 0, which implies f0 is equal to 0. f0 is equal to 0, f2 is equal to f0, f minus 2 is equal to minus f2. We have to find out the value of f4. For x is equal to 2, equation 2 implies Equation 2 means f of 2 plus x is equal to fx. F of 2 plus 2, that is equal to f of 4, which is equal to f of 2. f2 is equal to f0. f2 is equal to f0. f0 is equal to 0. Implies this f of 4 is equal to 0. f4 is equal to 0. That means A is the correct answer. f4 is equal to 0. Clear? Clear? Once again, fx is an odd function, that means f minus x is equal to fx. For x equal to 2, it gives f minus 2 is equal to minus f2. Again we have fx is a periodic function of period 2. f2 plus x is equal to fx. Since if f k plus x is equal to fx, then k is equal to period of fx. It is equation 2. For x equal to 0, f2 is equal to f0. f2 is equal to f0. For x is equal to minus 2, f0 is equal to f minus 2. f minus 2 is equal to minus f2. And f2 is equal to f0. f2 is equal to f0. So it is minus f0. f0 is equal to minus f0. Which implies this 2 times of f0 is equal to 0, f0 is equal to 0. For x equal to 2, equation 2 implies this f4 is equal to f2. But f2 is equal to f0 and f0 is equal to 0. So the value of f4 is equal to 0. Clear? Okay, note down. Next, question number 5. If fx is equal to a minus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n, then f of fx equals to dash x to the n, nx, x, n by x. Solution. Given fx is equal to a minus x to the n 1 by n whole to the power 1 by n. F of fx. X is replaced by fx. Here x will be fx whole to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. X is replaced by fx, x is replaced by fx, which is equal to a minus, what is fx? A minus x to the n, a minus x to the n whole to the power 1 by n. A minus fx means a minus x to the n whole to the power n to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. Clear? A minus fx. What is fx? A minus x to the n whole to the power 1 by n to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. A minus fx whole to the n whole to the power 1 by. It is fx. fx to the power n. N cancel, which gives a minus of a plus x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n, which is same as x to the power n whole to the power 1 by n. which is equal to x. Therefore, f of fx is equal to x. So the correct option is C, that is x. Clear? Okay, note down. Next, question number 6. If fx is equal to 1 plus alpha x, alpha not equal to 0, is the inverse of itself, then the value of alpha is dash. Minus 2, minus 1, 0 and 2. Solution. Giving y is equal to fx is equal to 1 plus alpha x. Alpha not equal to 0. Fx is equal to 1 plus alpha x, alpha not equal to 0. The inverse of the function is itself. What is the inverse of the function? Which implies as y is equal to 1 plus alpha x, which implies as alpha x is equal to y minus 1. Implies as x is equal to y minus 1 divided by alpha, which implies as f inverse y is equal to y minus 1 divided by alpha. Since y is equal to fx, implies x equal to f inverse y. Replacing x for y, f inverse x is equal to x minus 1 divided by alpha. Alpha not equal to 0. Given inverse of the function is itself. Since f inverse is equal to f, implies f inverse means x minus 1 divided by alpha is equal to 1 plus alpha x. Fx is equal to 1 plus alpha. F inverse is equal to x minus 1 divided by alpha. By the cross multiplication, it gives x minus 1 is equal to alpha plus alpha square x, which implies alpha plus 1 plus alpha square x minus x is equal to 0, which implies alpha plus 1 plus alpha plus alpha square minus 1 whole into x is equal to 0, which implies alpha plus 1 plus alpha plus 1 into alpha minus 1 whole into x is equal to 0. Alpha plus 1 taking common, which gives 1 plus alpha x minus x is equal to 0. 1 plus alpha x minus x not equal to 0. Since alpha not equal to 0, x is also not equal to 0. Alpha not equal to 0, x not equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then fx equal to 1, which is a mean one function. The inverse of a mean one function is not exist. Therefore, x not equal to 0 and alpha not equal to 0. Therefore, 1 plus alpha x minus x not equal to 0 implies alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. which implies yes, alpha is equal to minus 1. Clear? Alpha not equal to 0. Also x not equal to 0. If x equal to 0, then fx is equal to 1, which is a many one function, that is a constant function, which is not invertible. That means inverse of the function is not exist. That this part is not equal to 0. So alpha plus 1 equal to 0, alpha is equal to minus 1. So the correct option is B, that is minus 1. Note down. Note down.